Have you ever thought of starting a small business at home? Well, you're not alone. In a world that's rapidly evolving, where the traditional 9-to-5 grind is quickly becoming a thing of the past, home-based businesses have become a lucrative and fulfilling way to earn a living. Today we'll delve into the top 20 small businesses one can start from the comfort of their own home. First on the list is freelance writing. With the rise of digital media, companies are constantly in need of fresh, engaging content. If you have a knack for storytelling and a way with words, this could be your path to a successful home business. Second, consider becoming a virtual assistant. From scheduling appointments to managing emails, virtual assistants help businesses run smoothly from behind the scenes. Third, home-based tutoring or coaching. Whether it's academic subjects or personal skills like cooking or painting, if you have expertise in a particular area, sharing your knowledge can be a rewarding business venture. Fourth, consider starting a home bakery or meal prep service. If you love cooking and have a knack for it, this could be a profitable venture, providing delicious meals to busy professionals or families. Fifth, pet sitting or dog walking services. With pet ownership on the rise, there's never been a better time to start a business catering to our furry friends. Sixth, home-based retail. With platforms like Etsy and eBay, selling handmade crafts, vintage items, or even your old stuff can be a viable business. Seventh, personal fitness training. With the right certification, you can help others achieve their fitness goals right from your living room. Eighth, a home-based gardening business. If you have a green thumb, selling homegrown produce or plants could be your calling. Ninth, graphic design. Businesses are always on the lookout for eye-catching designs for their branding and marketing efforts. 10th, a home-based photography business. If you have a keen eye and a quality camera, offering your photography services could be a profitable venture. 11th, a home-based consulting business. If you have expertise in a specific field, offering your consulting services can be a lucrative business. 12th, home-based bookkeeping services. Many small businesses outsource their bookkeeping tasks, providing a great opportunity for those with a knack for numbers. 13th, a home-based beauty salon. If you have the skills and the necessary licenses, you can offer beauty services right from your home. 14th, a home-based tailoring and alterations business. With some sewing skills, you can offer a valuable service to those in need of clothing repairs or alterations. 15th, a home-based laundry service. This can be a great business for those who don't mind doing laundry and have the space for it. 16th, a home-based music teaching business. If you're musically inclined, teaching others how to play an instrument can be a rewarding and profitable business. 17th, a home-based interior design business. If you have a knack for creating beautiful spaces, consider offering your services to homeowners looking to spruce up their homes. 18th, a home-based childcare business. If you love children and have the necessary certifications, this can be a fulfilling and lucrative business. 19th, a home-based computer repair business. With the right skills, you can offer your services to those in need of computer repairs. And 20th, a home-based online course creation business. If you're an expert in a particular field, creating and selling online courses can be a profitable venture. In conclusion, from freelance writing to online course creation, there are numerous home-based businesses one can start. These businesses not only offer the convenience of working from home, but also provide an opportunity to pursue one's passions and interests. So, if you've ever dreamed of starting your own business, perhaps one of these 20 options is the perfect fit for you.